First, let's do the pre-test safety check. Switch the ignition to on. Do not start the engine yet. Turn on the left turn signal. Right turn signal. No signal. Step on the brake. Release. Show me arm signal. Left turn. Right turn. Stop or slow. Show me defrosted. Emergency flasher. Emergency parking brake. Headlights. Honk the horn. Windshield wiper control. Start the engine now. Turn left. Stop, check left and right. This is a blind exit. Left turn ahead, white car blocking. Do not enter the intersection. Wait here. Creep forward with control. Show clear left and right checks. Go only when fully safe. This is something the examiner checks very carefully. On an unprotected left turn, oncoming straight traffic has the right of way. You must also yield to pedestrians crossing from the left side. Turn right. Before entering the bike lane, signal first, then check your side mirror and blind spot. Do not stop on the green box. That area is reserved for bicycles only. Pay attention to the sign. No turn on red. Wait for a green light before making the right turn. Turn right. Turn right. At the stop sign, let all pedestrians fully cross. Do not block the intersection or crosswalk. Hold your position and wait patiently. vehicle ahead is blocking our path, do not try to squeeze around. Stay fully stopped with wheels straight. Wait calmly until the lane is clear, then proceed. Stopped at the red light. Do not relax completely. Keep checking both sides. Stay aware of traffic around you. Be ready to move on green. Examiners expect active observation while waiting. Most San Francisco test streets have a 25-mile-per-hour speed limit. These roads are usually residential and often narrow. Traffic is commonly heavy in these areas. You will see many parked and temporarily stopped vehicles. Sometimes a lane may be partially blocked. Do not rush when this happens. Slow down and observe early. Plan your path before you move. Examiners watch speed control closely. They also grade hazard judgment and space management. Calm decisions and smooth control are very important. Turn right. A bike lane is on the right side. Check mirrors and blind spot first. Enter the bike lane when clear. Always yield to all pedestrians and bicycles, especially in San Francisco.
Wait.
Checking your blind spot again is very important. When safe, make a smooth right turn. At a green light intersection, keep your normal speed. Don't slow unnecessarily, and check left and right as you proceed. Turn left. Turn right. When making a right turn, stay close to the curb and turn into the nearest right lane. Construction area, be extra careful. Control your speed. Follow the cone layout. Examiners watch your lane control here. If a construction worker is directing traffic, follow their instructions. Turn right. Double-parked cars are common in San Francisco. When it's safe, check mirrors and blind spot, then go around carefully. Turn right. Green light, but people are still in the crosswalk. Keep checking the crosswalk, left and right. Some people may step in at the last second. Ignore the cars behind. You're doing it right. We turn only when it's fully clear. In most cases, a right-turning vehicle has the right of way over an oncoming left-turning vehicle. When you lane change, signal first, check mirrors, then check your blind spot. When safe, then change lanes smoothly. Look, there's a bike lane on your left. Check your left mirror first. Then do a left blind spot check. Only turn when the bike lane is completely clear.